Extrude is one of the most fundamental tools in 3D modeling. Blender covers the basics, but more advanced workflows often require several separate tools, or an add-on. There are already many extrusion add-ons, so why choose Smart Extrude? With some alternatives, repeated extrusions can create errors, overlapping geometry, or unnecessary faces that gradually damage the model. Even professional software, such as 3ds Max, can produce inconsistent results. Smart Extrude is built for reliable, repeatable work. It can serve as an everyday replacement for Blender's standard extrude with group normal, along normal, individual, and axis modes. It also supports snapping, exact numeric input, automatic alignment, manifold, non-manifold meshes. After multiple releases and continuous improvements, Smart Extrude has now reached version 3.3. The headline feature is Super Extrude. It produces consistent results without depending on existing face normal directions, so reversed or inconsistent normals no longer block the workflow. This is especially useful for imported models, where repairing every normal by hand can be difficult. Super Extrude makes these meshes far easier to edit, with only a small performance overhead. The new Redo panel gives you much more control after the operation is complete. You can still change the extrusion distance, offset, topology settings, and other options without starting over. The result updates immediately, and the panel works across all Smart Extrude modes, making experimentation faster and corrections much easier. Next is the new Offset control. While Smart Extrude is active, press Shift+S to enable it. You'll find that offset doesn't cause interpolation issues between vertices. You can expand or contract the cap faces while keeping the surrounding shape much cleaner. To create an inset-like result, first set the extrusion distance to 0. Then press Shift+S and move the mouse to control the size. For even finer and more specialized inset control, take a look at my other add-on, CAD Inset. Smart Extrude 3.3 also brings every extrusion mode into Blender's toolbar. You can now launch Smart Extrude like a standard toolbar tool and drag the gizmo to control the distance directly. All of the familiar shortcuts still work. Click the white ring to activate Axis mode, or choose a different extrusion mode from the toolbar menu. Group Normal, Along Normal, Individual, and Axis workflows are now available from the same interface. This makes the add-on easier for users who prefer visual controls. Finally, Smart Extrude now automatically follows Blender's interface language. It supports English, traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. If you need support for another language, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bring Smart Extrude to your workflow.